Jennifer Nicole Lee, and this is an episode of Fashion Wars, Makeup Wars, but it's more like Design Wars because I just did a big haul at one of my favorite places to buy decor. And we're gonna be unboxing together because I just got this beautiful, beautiful mirror armoire. So now I can start decorating this area. So let's unbox together, okay? Thanks for coming. By the way, people have been asking me, oh, you have a beauty mark. No, it's like a little gem. I'm gonna be playing a lot with makeup and different looks now. Okay, let's see what we got here. All right, we got something very, okay, ooh, I got my crump cup. It's gonna go right here. Enjoy. Oh, you gotta have 2 crump cups. Okay, we got another one. Oh my goodness, and my assistant is so great. She's getting everything ready for me. Round of applause for my beautiful assistant. But look, what's better than 1 crump cup? 2 crump cups. All right, so I want to give a cheers to each and every one of you. Bing. Okay, so that's beautiful. I'm working with this whole plum, purple, silver, gold. Oh my goodness, look at this one. How adorable. I'm loving these candelabras. Wait a minute, look, wait, hold on. Look, I got a baby one. Wait, here I come. I got a baby one and I got a big one. Look. I got the mama and I got the baby. Candelabras, right? I love decorating for fall. By the way, I'm hosting a decoration fall festival challenge, and that's at JNLglobalstudios.com. For anyone that wants to dress up for Halloween and for decorating their house. And look, you gotta have 2. So we got 2 ones, and we're gonna put that on my glass. Beautiful candelabra. I'm swimming in candelabras. Let's put this right here. I'm absolutely loving this one. Ugh. This one is so pretty. You actually can use this as like hanging hats, hanging purses. Uh-oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So someone asked me, what was your inspiration for this new look of JNL? Hold on, here, flip. JNL Worldwide Studios. And it really was a beautiful, sleek, sophisticated, another gift. We're unboxing more. Sleek, sophisticated hotel lobby, if you will, where you're going to be getting the silver, the mirrored accents. This thing is also in my way. Here. Got so many great goodies. Oh my goodness, look at this. It matches the purple. Let's show them the purple wall. Here we go. See the purple wall right there? That's the accent color. And I'm just loving it. We are going to be, oh, wow. Look at this, a beautiful jewelry box, the same color. We need to clean this up a little bit, okay, because it's got fingerprints on it. But we'll do that. This is going to be here to put all of my beautiful jewelry in. Okay, and don't forget, we're doing a huge giveaway at jennifernicole.com. We're going to be giving away makeup and beauty, skincare, fashion items. Ooh, look at this unboxing. Oh my gosh, wow. Wowee! This is absolutely gorgeous. I'm loving this. Do you guys love that? Don't you love decorating? Oh my God, thank you so much. All right, put that back in the box. I'll take it out. Look at this. This is gorgeous. You can put some incense here. You can put a candle. I'm loving all of these mirrored accents. And then we're gonna decorate perfect because it doesn't hit the TV. I love the flat screen TV. I had a request for me to film a YouTube watching my old YouTubes. Who wants to see that? Watching my old YouTubes. Amy, I love you. Mwah. Because I was like one of the first YouTubers long ago when it first came out. And I was like on it. And I was like, that's how I got my JNL workout method, exercise DVD deal. Because everyone was doing my workouts by YouTube. They still do it. So I'm actually going to be on working this TV, where I'm going to be watching my old YouTubes and like my reactions to it. Like, oh my God, what was I wearing? What was I thinking? What was I doing? All right, do we have more goodies to unbox? Let me have this. Let me have that one. Oh, what's in this bag? What's in this bag? Oh my goodness. All right. I cleaned the house. Ooh, this looks rich. Don't you want to snuggle with this? Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. What? This is like faux fur, guys, by the way, faux fur. Okay, so we have a Beautiful throw for the bed. And we're going to show them the bed in a little bit. Wow. Oh, not one, but two. That was gray. This one's purple. This one's like an amethyst. Oh, I love it. It's so pretty. It's called the Krista Throw. Everything from Z Gallery. I want to thank Z Gallery for showing me so much love. And we're good to go, right? So let's show them the bed. Okay, so when you come and stay with me as my VIP guest, you're going to be staying here. Take a look at this bed. Yes, you got to make sure that you see this bed here. Look at this. Oh my God, we're just now decorating. We just started, so don't you want to just get in that bed and jump in that bed? Whee! What do I have on the bed? Some magazines. I'm partnered up with Strong Magazine. I'm really excited about working with them. And on this page, you're going to see this amazing feature that I'm so proud of, because strong, it really is the word. It's about being strong, stronger together. And all the women out there that make it happen, I love you guys. I want you guys to know just how much I love you. I know how hard it is. It's not easy juggling it all, you know. I've been with my husband for 20 years. We have 2 teenagers. Jaden is 17 and Dylan is 15 going on 16. And being able just to be in so many different places at once, and then also take care of your wellness and take care of other women's wellness. As a transformational coach, it's not about me, it's about you. I need to expedite your results now. I need you to get from A to Z fast. So I want to thank my marketing team helping me be in many places at once. I love you, Scarlett. I love you, Ronson Ratiba. Oh, I won't delete them. I won't delete my videos. Okay. So many big things happening, especially with Strong Magazine. I partnered up with them. Let me get off this bed. I'm not a sitter, I'm a stander. I partnered up with them to do a bunch of great events in the new year, in 2019. So what's gonna be happening is that, let me show the rug too. Oh my gosh. Anyone that's in the Miami area, come and stay with me. Look at this, don't you wanna just lay on this? I partnered up with them to do a bunch of events where I'm going to be making appearances at some of their boot camps. They have strong camps all across the country, even some in, you know, up north in Canada. So I'm really excited about that. So big things happening. Real quick, I have to tell you about the JNL. You can go ahead and organize. She's hiding back there. My poor assistant is hiding. I trapped her. She's hostage and she's trying not to be on the camera. Oh, there she goes. Come back. Real quick, save the dates. JNL Masterclass, October 13th at Anatomy in Miami, the hottest fitness facility in South Florida. I want you there. Tickets are available at jnlmasterclass.com. We're having a reunion for everyone that bought a ticket that can't even attend. Thank you for your support, because partial proceeds will be going to my favorite charities, because it's about being the change. And boy, I'm working up a sweat in this aluminum foil. Let me just take off this. I was like cooking myself. Remember the 80s when we would put on these little sweatsuits? They didn't look as jazzy as this, but there I can breathe now. We have Ratiba coming in from France. We got Ronson coming in. We got Lola coming in. Thank you, Scarlett, for buying a ticket, even though you can't be there. The reunion, JNL reunion, JNLgymreunion.com. But if you're in the Miami area, October the 6th, a big social network mixer. Again, on November the 17th. We just got so many events. I can't even keep my head straight. So what you want to do is just go to jennifernicole.com and subscribe to my newsletter. All right, so I love you guys. You are the difference. I'm going to leave you with Jolt. Time is the biggest liar, okay? Time lies. You don't have time. You got to always work with a sense of urgency, a sense of passion and excitement for what you do. Yes, yes, yes. And we love you. As Scarlett, we need to power up with a makeup giveaway for JNL Makeup. Okay, let's make that happen. As Scarlett is my sister, and I want to promote what she's doing there. I want to help promote what you're doing. Let's join forces and collaborate and help move each other forward in the right area. Thank you so much. And people are asking me about this. I'm having fun with this little gems here. My husband was like, you have a dot on your face. I'm like, I know, honey, it's a gem. It's supposed to be cool. And right now I'm going to be giving away a fitness artist t-shirt. The first person to email through jennifernicole.com and put fitness artist t-shirt and your address will win one. Okay, guys? I could be here all day. So staying jolted is key. Keep your eye on the prize. Always have a sense of urgency and keep your forefront, your blinders on. And on your blinders, you need to have the word faith written inside here. Last announcement, October, we're having a fall festival decoration. As you can see, I love decorating. I transformed this whole entire room, and we're not done yet. And I want to keep on just inspiring you to make your life beautiful through fitness, food, fashion, decoration. It's only $1 to join. It starts October the 9th, and it's a fun fall festival where we will be giving away huge gifts to those who enter, and it just takes $1 to enter, and you don't have to dress up for Halloween. You can decorate your room or your house, your doorway with a beautiful fall wreath, maybe your dining room area with pumpkins and things. I love all that stuff. Beautifying your home, beautifying your sacred space, okay? Or dressing up in a really cool Halloween costume and posting that. You just have to tag Jennifer Nicole and JNL Global Studios. And more details also to come. You can email through the website to get the link to sign up, because we're gonna make fall so fun and so fabulous and so amazing and so awesome. And I'm gonna just say this: thank you, God, for our strong, healthy minds and bodies. Thank you, God, for every breath we take. Thank you, God, for helping us vibrate higher. Thank you, God, for us never taking our eye off the prize. Thank you, God, for all of our miracles. Thank you, God, for Ronson Originals, who we just did a 3-day photo shoot. We got so many photos coming. And thank you guys for all of your love. Shelby, we love you. Daniel, you're always there putting positive comments on my page, and love you guys. Mwah! Have a great day, and I will see you guys soon. Remember, go to the website, and I can't wait to see who wins this. We will be announcing Friday at 10 o'clock, also the winner of the latest makeup and fitness fashion giveaways, okay? And I will see you guys soon. Bye, guys.